Hi, I'm Mike. Aaron is in San Diego for a few days, and that leaves me 3 kids, along with the whole ranch to manage, pretty much all on my own. Today I get a chance to bring you along for the day, and with today being a school day, it's up to me and Lincoln to take care of chores and some odds and ends as the boys take over on the project list on our Wyoming Life. Welcome back to our Wyoming Life. Each video we get a chance to bring you inside a working Wyoming ranch. But more importantly, we get to give you a chance to see the family behind it. Please subscribe and continue with us as we explore the ranch life and escape the ordinary. One thing that is undeniable here is that boys are a little bit in the minority. We have, starting from the top, Aaron's mom, the matriarch of the ranch, Erin, of course, along with Mackenzie and Grace, our daughters, and we have Lexi, our dog, 2 house cats, and 150 pregnant and expecting moms out here. If you think about it, ranching is a business that's built around the girls in our lives. And aside from a few bulls, Lincoln and I can kind of be the outsiders. You know, we're good for heavy lifting or getting really dirty, but it's a job that I welcome wholeheartedly because without the girls, well, we wouldn't have a job. Today, Aaron is in San Diego, and while the girls are at school, it's my and Lincoln's day to shine. Today, we're a team. But first, we have to get everybody up and out of the house. It's a school day, and without Mom here, it's time to get everybody ready to go. And that starts with the worst part of any day, and that's getting out of bed.
Let's get up and get ready for school, okay? Gracie. Gracie. It's time to get up. Get ready for school. Good morning.
After breakfast, then it's the bane of any dad's existence, and that's doing hair. I don't have any of my own anymore to practice on, but a good old-fashioned ponytail always does the trick. The girls do have some morning chores of their own to take care of, and that's feeding Lexi her breakfast, while backpacks are prepared, and soon enough, it's out the door to meet the bus and get the girls on their way for their day. Then, it's time for Lincoln and I to go to work. At least until you hear those words you always hear after getting a 3-year-old dressed and ready to go. Dad, I need to go to the bathroom. And then we get to try again. First on our list this morning is getting the cows fed. It's cold outside, and during feeding, Lincoln will stay inside the nice heated tractor, although he's always interested in what the cows are doing and how the process works.
How
How are we going to pick up the hay?
Yeah.
We are going to pick it up with the front end of the tractor.
Wow.
You watch. We're all done?
Yeah.
Okay.
Once we're done, it's back to the shop, where we can get a bag of food for the pigs and head over to feed them. But not before Lincoln gets some love from one of our barn cats. The pigs are loud. Lincoln doesn't like it much. But afterwards, we head back out to the pasture, where we can turn on water for the cows, then go out and perform a close-up inspection of our herd. It's something I like to do every day, and as we get closer to calving, you never know what can happen. And this part of the process starts to get the cows used to the gator and us being around them once again. Hopefully, making them a bit more trusting when calving starts. After checking the cows, it's back to dad duty once again. Mackenzie has a dentist appointment. We have to go and get her from school and take her to get her mouth appliance checked. She has a very narrow mouth and not enough room for her teeth to come in, so she has a metal bracket installed into the roof of her mouth that we get to turn a gear on every few days. That gear moves the appliance wider and wider so that she has room for teeth to come in.
Are you excited to go to the dentist, Kenzie?
Not really. Not really. I shall go to the. You're not doing anything.
Nothing happens fast at a pediatric dentist office, but after a long wait, Mackenzie finally gets in for her 5-minute checkup, and all looks good. Although, we still have another month of widening to go before she's done.
Are you excited to go back to school?
Yes.
What are you guys doing in school today?
So far we're just working on reading about avalanches and weathering and erosion.
Cool.
It's back to school to drop off Mackenzie before Lincoln and I can get back to work. Our next stop is the feed store, where we're going to get some lick barrels for the cows. While we're getting loaded, Lincoln and I can take a look around and have a few peanuts. But it's not long before we're back on the road and back to the ranch. At the ranch, we can drop off the barrels for these cows. Each barrel weighs about 250 pounds, and Lincoln likes to watch as we get them out for the cows. Each barrel is full of vitamins and nutrients that the cows need to ensure a healthy pregnancy and calves to come. With the lick barrels out, we can head back into the house for a break, where it seems that Lincoln has hit the limit for his day. But the day is far from over. By mid-afternoon, it's time to go and get the girls from school, although Lincoln continues his little snooze. Hi, Mackenzie.
Hey, I'm back from school and back from the dentist.
Yeah. So, how was your day at school?
Pretty good.
Can you tell me something that happened today that made you smile?
I was working on paddling beanbags on the paddles at PE today.
And that was fun?
Mhm.
Cool.
I was able to catch it when I throw it up with the hand and then catch it with the paddle, or throw it up with the paddle and catch it with your hand.
Gracie, did you do anything fun at school today?
We had a birthday.
Whose birthday was it?
Rodents,
Broden's birthday. Did you have cake?
cupcakes.
Ooh, were they yummy? What kind of cupcake did you have?
What flavor were they? They were all vanilla.
Cool. All right, you guys ready to go home?
Yeah.
Okay.
Daddy, I was wondering if we can go to Grammy's house before ice skating. Please.
I have to admit, although my mother-in-law chooses not to be on camera, she's still one of the things that holds this entire operation together, and having her close by is a godsend. Although I'm still the son-in-law, and I drop off 3 kids in trade for 3 bags of trash to take to the dumpster. A little break for me gives me time to go and check some things out. We can check on the pigs and put away the chickens for the day. I also get time to take a little stroll through the corrals. It also gives us a chance to wrap up our day together. It's not over for us here on the ranch. We still have ice skating practice tonight and dinner to prepare. Erin's gonna be back soon, and I guess some house cleaning is probably in order before she gets here. But it's days like these that really make you appreciate what you have. I'm not really sure how Erin finds the time every day to get done what she has to do. Over the past few days, I've had to put off projects for the bigger picture. The kids and I, we wouldn't have it any other way. It's these moments with the kids, boy or girl, that make me remember what's really important. It's the time we spend together and the memories that we make every single day. And I'm very glad that I could bring you along. Ranching is the cows, it's the land, the fences, and the machinery. But it's also so much more. It's the family that's behind it that makes it all worth it to me. Today, I'm going to say something a little weird, but I'm going to ask you to put off one project on your list and find something in your life or someone that is more important. Make that relationship your project and get it done. Thanks for coming along today. We really look forward to bringing you along with more from this season of the ranch. Those mama cows out there are all very tired of being pregnant, and soon calves will start hitting the ground. And I'm looking forward to taking you deeper into calving this year than we've ever gone before. Just be warned, we're going to lose some sleep. It's live stream week. Join us Thursday for Ranch Talk Live at 7 p.m. Mountain Time right here on YouTube as we take you behind the scenes, and we welcome Aaron back, thankfully. Until then, have a great week, and thanks for joining us in our Wyoming Life.